Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best suitcase wheel replacement is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked repairs for frequent travelers. Worn-out wheels can turn a smooth journey into a frustrating struggle, but with the right replacement wheels and a few simple tools, you can restore your luggage to its former glory and avoid the hefty cost of buying a completely new suitcase. This video will guide you through the entire process, from selecting the perfect replacement wheels to completing the installation, ensuring your suitcase is ready for your next adventure. Number 5. OwnMy 70mm Luggage Wheels. Are your suitcase wheels worn out? Don't replace your whole suitcase. These replacement wheels are the perfect solution. Replacing your old wheels is simple. Just follow the included instructions and you'll be rolling smoothly in no time. Before ordering, measure your old wheels to ensure compatibility. All dimensions are clearly shown in our images. These durable wheels are made of high-quality rubber and metal for long-lasting performance and a quiet ride. Each set includes 2 wheels, axles of 2 lengths, screws, washers, and wrenches, everything you need for a complete replacement. Enjoy a smoother, quieter travel experience. These replacement wheels will make your suitcase roll effortlessly. What we like. It boasts a 70mm diameter, perfect for most suitcases. The rubber material ensures a smooth, quiet ride. If you need a reliable and long-lasting replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Very solidly constructed, the measurement instructions were spot on, and the install was a cinch. I've bought these wheels 2 times now. I fixed my duffel bag wheels and now my Oakley carry-on. The old rubber liner fell off and caused a loud noise going down the airport. I bought these wheels and replaced and work great. Really quiet and roll smooth and the wheel barring spin smooth. These suitcase wheels appear to be well made and worked when installed on my suitcase. Number 4. BQLZR Luggage Wheels W041-2. These durable replacement wheels are perfect for repairing your broken luggage. They're easy to install and will get your suitcase rolling smoothly again. Before ordering, measure your old wheels carefully. Make sure the hole spacing and overall dimensions match to ensure a proper fit. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation, including a dual-purpose screwdriver. Simply replace your old wheels with these new ones. These wheels are made of high-quality plastic, making them quiet, wear-resistant, flexible, and able to handle heavy loads. They're built to last. They are designed for hard-shell suitcases only. These wheels are a great solution for repairing worn-out wheels and keeping your luggage in top condition. Available in several hole spacing options to match your luggage. Check the dimensions carefully before ordering to ensure compatibility. Each package contains 2 replacement wheels, 8 screws, and a dual-purpose screwdriver for convenient installation. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This option stands out with its unique 4-hole pattern. The plastic material is lightweight yet sturdy. If your suitcase has a matching hole pattern and you prioritize 360-degree rotation, this is a great choice. What people say. This item fits as expected. It's a simple DIY project that saves money. They attached easily, even provided a cheap tool. They are 50x better than the very cheap wheels that came with the suitcase. They were not just hard plastic and even had some give to the rolling surface, so they are substantially quieter than the originals. Universal one-size-fits-all piece, might need a few minor adjustments to fit. Very sturdy, comes with 4 long screws. Number 3. OwnMy Luggage Wheels Repair Kit. Is your luggage rolling less smoothly than it used to? These replacement wheels are the perfect solution. They're easy to install and will have your suitcase gliding effortlessly again. Before ordering, please measure your old wheels carefully. Make sure the dimensions match those shown in our images to ensure a perfect fit. We provide detailed specifications to help you. Replacing your old wheels is simple. Just remove the old ones, attach the new ones using the included screws and axles, and you're ready to go. Instructions are included in the product images. This kit comes with everything you need, for durable rubber wheels, axles in 2 sizes, screws, washers, and even wrenches. We've got you covered. These wheels are made from high-quality rubber and metal for long-lasting performance. They're designed to be quiet and smooth, ensuring a comfortable travel experience. Enjoy smoother and quieter rolling with these replacement wheels. They'll make your next trip much more enjoyable. Say goodbye to bumpy rides. What we like. With a smaller 45mm diameter, it's ideal for smaller suitcases. You get a set of 4, offering great value. If you need replacements for a smaller bag or want spares, this is the perfect option. What people say. These fit my suitcase perfectly. Make sure you measure. Easy to install. Great quality wheels. They roll perfectly and passed my wife's inspection. I hacksawed the old axles off. It took me 1 hour for the first wheel, including figuring out the screw situation. 10 minutes a wheel after that. These worked well on my Swiss gear suitcase, easy to install. Hardest part was removing the old wheels. Number 2. OwnMy 75 by 24mm luggage wheels. Are your suitcase wheels worn out? These replacement wheels are the perfect solution. They're easy to install and will make your luggage roll smoothly again. Before ordering, measure your old wheels. Make sure they match the dimensions shown, it's crucial for a perfect fit. We provide detailed pictures to help. Installing these wheels is straightforward. You may need to remove the old ones, then simply attach these with the included screws and axles. Instructions are included in the product images. These durable wheels are made with high-quality rubber and metal. They're built to last, providing a quiet and smooth rolling experience. Each set includes 2 black rubber wheels, axles in 2 lengths, screws, washers, and wrenches. Everything you need for a complete replacement is in the box. Replace your old wheels and enjoy smoother, quieter travel. These wheels will extend the life of your suitcase and make your journeys more enjoyable. What we like. This one offers a larger 75mm diameter, suitable for larger suitcases. The rubber construction ensures a smooth and quiet roll. If you need a durable replacement for a larger suitcase, this is a great choice. Number 1. OwnMy Luggage Wheels Repair Kit. Is your suitcase dragging you down? Don't replace the whole suitcase, just the wheels. These durable wheels are easy to install and will make your luggage glide smoothly again. Before ordering, measure your old wheels to ensure a perfect fit. All dimensions are shown in the product images. Each kit contains 4 rubber wheels, axles in 2 lengths, screws, washers, and wrenches for easy installation. Simply remove your old wheels, attach the new ones, and tighten the screws. Instructions are included in the product images. Made from durable rubber and metal, they're built to last. Enjoy a quiet, smooth ride. Give your suitcase a new lease on life with these replacement wheels. Get ready for your next adventure. What we like. This set of 4 features a 40mm diameter, perfect for smaller luggage. The rubber material provides a quiet and smooth rolling experience. If you have a smaller suitcase and want a cost-effective solution, this is the one for you. What people say. These wheels fit perfectly, look good and work great. Actually, these wheels are a better rubber material than original, more akin to mini rollerblade wheels than, say, caster wheels, so I think it rolls better than new. The wheels are much better than what I had and weren't difficult to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.